Yeah, good evening. This is Sean. I'm recording the session for the ADBMS Lab 1. So here we'll be trying out the basic SQL commands. I've already typed out all the commands into this WordPad or MS Word, and I'll be copy pasting these commands into the command line terminal. Otherwise, it's going to take a very long time. So let's get started. So first few commands talks about just creating the tables. Like we can see from here, this is all to create the table, creating 1 2 3 4 5 tables. We'll copy this and we'll go here and we'll paste it into the terminal. I deleted the previous tables I had created, so it's gonna do it fresh. Okay, so 5 tables have been created. Now next part will come into inserting the values. We'll insert for customers first, then we'll go one by one. Okay, now we have inserted for the customers. We'll go into orders. So here we are just like inserting the values into the tables. Nothing much, just to try out the how the output would look if you had to do a select command or edit command. For the product, we are inserting. Yes, we have inserted 5 for the product. Next is product line. We have inserted 5 for product line, and now finally for the supplier. Okay, we have inserted for the supplier also. Now next command, it is to alter, is to add a unique constraint on a column. So here what we are doing is we are adding the unique constraint for this customer name column. So for that, alter table, table name, add constraint. So let's do that. Table altered. The next command is similar. We are renaming instead of adding a constraint. For that also we use order, alter table. All these are DDL commands. Altered, create table. We are creating a table where we are copying the structure of the customer table. That's why we put where 1 equal to 2, because we are not selecting any rows as such. We're trying to copy only the structure. Table created. Now we are going to alter the created table, and we are doing that right now. Okay, table altered. Now we are trying to insert some values from the customer table into the newly created table. So let's do that. Oh, okay, 5 rows created. Now we're going to drop that table that we just created. Table dropped. We are updating um, update customer set postal code. So we are going to update postal code where customer ID is equal to 1 in the customer table. Okay, now the next one is a little tricky. It is actually to delete from customer where customer state is Haryana. But because the tables are interlinked through the foreign keys, we are going to have to modify the structure of the table slightly and put the on delete cascade property. So when a linked table's content is deleted, this also gets deleted in the base table. So okay, we copied that and paste one row deleted. We altered the tables. We have to alter all the tables that are connected. So tables are altered. Then selecting from here on. Most of them are select commands. So we are just selecting how many customers are there. So it's going to return a count of how many customers are there. Yeah. Count start from product where product ID equal to 50. Okay. Okay. Select staff from product where price is greater than 1000. Okay, so all of these products have price, yes, price greater than 1000. Where customer select staff from customer where customer name like percentage K. Percentage is a wildcard character, so it could be anything that could be occupying that space. But the last character should be K. That's it. If it's a underscore, it's going to set only one character. What is this? The slight error. Mm, Select star from customer where customer name like percentage K. Oh, okay. No row selected because nothing was there which ended with K. I don't know why that error came before. Something with the copying, I think. Okay. Next thing, select ordered quantity from order, comma order line, orders, comma order line, where order line dot order ID equal to orders dot order ID and orders dot customer ID equal to 3. So, okay. So we're setting where those who are ordered based on customer ID. So that's why we're selecting multiple tables. Sadly, no rows were selected. Okay, need to modify the tables later on. Okay, set orders where order date between the two given dates. Let's try that. Okay, so we got two entries which are between those two given dates. Then it is inserting. Okay, simple command insert. One row inserted. Update postal code. Set postal code equal to update customer. Set postal code equal to that where state equal to Tamil Nadu. Okay, so let's do that. 3 rows updated. So there are 3 entries with state Tamil Nadu. The next one is commit. So commit means we will save all the uh, commands that were entered up to now. So we're going to commit that. Commit complete. Okay. Now insert into orders values. So this is a simple insert command. Save point before delete. So here first I am creating a save point and it's called before delete, and then after that I'm deleting where order equal to 104. Okay, so there was no order called 104, so nothing was deleted. Rollback before delete. This will work even though I didn't delete anything because the rollback just rolls back. Yes. Now 22nd. The question for 22nd, select staff from product. So select the customer details where which has the minimum price. So that was the question. So for that, this would do. It's a little lengthy. Yes. So yes, let me see. Okay, customer one had the least. I think it was. I think I had the entry 800. So yeah, this is the least details of the customer who ordered the least price product. Now 23. is using an intersect. um, yes, I got 3 entries. Select star from product to where product finish is not null, intersect. Select star from product to where this is basically nested queries, subqueries. The 24th one is using a simple inner join. Okay, so it selected order details and customer details based on the inner join. Now the last one is okay. For this, it won't work here directly like how I did it in the lab. I have to create a. I'm the admin here, so I have to create a user. Create user A as 1234. Mm, okay, some syntax error. Hold on. Okay, it was actually I had already created a user named A, so that's why it was not coming. So now, okay, so I created a user named B, and now I'm going to grant permissions to that user. Paste on to B. Okay, so I have successfully granted the permission to the last person, user. Okay, so with this, I think yes, all the 25 queries have been executed for this lab session, and with this, I am concluding. Thank you.